The man disguised himself as a casino waiter and quietly added a sedative to the wealthy man's drink. Once the wealthy man fell asleep, the man took his casino VIP card. He then pretended to chat with the dealer and, while the dealer wasn't looking, he hid the tampered dice in a small hole under the gambling table. After that, he slipped into the restroom to change back into a guest's outfit and calmly walked back into the casino. He went to the spot where he had hidden the dice and placed all his bets on number 8. Then he took out the tampered dice and threw them forcefully onto the table. As the dice were rolling, he took out a remote control and, just as the dice were about to stop, he pressed the button at the right moment. The 2 dice instantly flipped to show 4. The man's money immediately multiplied 6 times. His target was the people upstairs. He needed to reach the minimum threshold of $100,000 to get in with the wealthy crowd. When the cameras couldn't see him, he stuck an interference chip onto the card shuffler. Then he used his phone to remotely control it, making the shuffler spit out cards non-stop. The administrator saw the chaos and immediately had the waitstaff replace all the decks of cards in the casino. The man, now disguised as a wealthy person, used the VIP card to open the private elevator. He checked his watch to calculate when the card-delivering waiter would arrive at the elevator. As soon as the waiter was about to get there, the man quickly shut the elevator door, opened the elevator's control box with a tool, attached the interference device inside, and put the cover back on. Just as he finished, the waiter arrived. After closing the elevator door again, the man activated the interference device with his phone. The elevator immediately stopped, and the lights went out. He complained about the poor quality of the casino's equipment and took the opportunity to switch the decks of cards, putting his specially made ones on the cart. When the elevator returned to normal, the man walked out, showed his VIP card to the security for inspection, and smoothly entered the private room. Unknowingly, the waiter delivered the man's specially made cards to the gambling table in the private room. The man quickly put on his high-tech glasses and activated the filtering light function. The backs of the cards were coated with a special invisible material. Through the glasses, he could see the specific reflections on the back of the cards. He knew the exact value of every card on the table. To avoid arousing suspicion from the wealthy gamblers, he didn't win every round. Instead, he would win a big one and then lose a small one. Using this method, he quickly won almost $10 million. Feeling that he had enough and fearing that the casino would catch on if he continued, the man left with $10 million.